Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today's video is going to feature nothing but Bixie haircut ideas that you can rock this season. The first one features a light pink Bixie variation. And if you guys didn't know what a Bixie is, I do have a full video explaining that. I will link it below. That video can be found on our sister channel, Hair Trend Seeker. But a Bixie is basically a hairstyle that is in between a pixie cut as well as a bob, and pretty much combines the best of both worlds. So loving this light pink variation that we see here. The hair comes to about ear length, neck length, and does feature kind of curtain style bangs in the front. And this light pink hue is so subtle and gorgeous. It just looks absolutely stunning. The perfect little summer shade. So all of these hair clips in this video are by Brianka. I think that's how you pronounce her name. So that is her Instagram there, and she is one of the first creators of the Bixie haircut. She pretty much made it famous on Instagram. And she does a lot of really cute Bixie haircuts on her clients. Here she is just kind of dyeing her own hair. And the first one featured a blonde color, and the second one is going to be of a peach tone Bixie variation. This is a gorgeous hue that just kind of really just makes the look overall just golden with the peachy tones. I think it looks gorgeous on her warm complexion. And one of the things that I noticed that she does with her Bixie haircuts is she does like to flip the look up under, and that really just creates even more volume within the overall cut. So the next Bixie haircut that she's going to be doing is a Bixie with highlights. So the client is first getting her hair cut. This is an absolutely gorgeous haircut if you are in between getting a pixie and a bob, or if you just want to grow your hair out a little bit. I think that the Bixie is a great play on both trends. So here is a look at a more pink variation of the trend. So you can see her pretty much shaping up the hair and the back section of the hair. And once again, since she does have a lot of hair left in the front, she's really able to kind of play around with the overall shape and how she wants to style the hair. This is what makes the Bixie haircut such a great option. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. Be sure to give it a like if you felt inspired by any of today's haircuts, and I will see you in the next one.